So for this we are going to use sin A, cos B, cos A, sin B, sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B. Using this we are going to evaluate this. 1 plus cos x is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So these are the two formulas. Using off angle formulas we can evaluate this. If you want you can just multiply by 1 by 2. X by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus c. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous session, we have discussed the integration methods using the method of substitution. In this session, I am going to take few more problems based on integration by the method of substitution, as well as some important trigonometrical equations and integration by partial fractions and some important integrals. This is very important session indeed. Now let us come to the first problem. Evaluate integral of sin cube x into cos square x dx. Now how to evaluate? So this given integral can be written as integral of sin cube x into cos square x dx. Now let us split this. Sin cube can be written as sin square x into this sin x into cos square x dx. Okay. Now this can also be written as sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x into sin x into this cos square x into sin x dx. Now you can take the substitution. Put t is equal to cos x. Right. Differentiate of cos x is minus sin x dx, or minus dt is equal to sin x dx. So this integral becomes integral 1 minus t square into, what is t? Again t is nothing but cos x. Cos square can be written as t square into sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So you can take minus out, multiply by t square into 1 is t square minus t to the power of 4 into dt. Now integrate it. Minus integral of t square is t cube by 3 minus integral of t to the power of 4 is t raised to 5 by 5 plus c. Substitute the value. So this is minus of, what is t? What is the substitution you have taken? Cos. So t cube is nothing but cos cube x by 3 minus cos to the power of 5 times x divided by 5 plus c is the integrated answer. This is how we are going to solve. Okay. See here, sin cube can be written as sin square into sin is sin cube x and cos square as it is. Now this sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square and this sin x and cos square x as it is. Now let us take the substitution. Put t is equal to cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus dt is equal to sin x dx. This given integral reduces to 1 minus, what is cos t? Cos square is t square, 1 minus t square into again cos square is t square, sin x dx is equal to minus dt. You can take minus out. So multiply by t square into 1 is t square. Again t square into t square is t to the power of 4. Integral of t square is t cube by 3. And minus integral of t to the power of 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5 by 5 plus c. Now substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? T is equal to cos x. So therefore this is cos cube x by 3 minus cos to the power of 5x by 5 plus c along with negative sign. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. Evaluate sin square x dx. These type of problems are very important. You may expect a problem like sin square x, cos square x, or sin square x into cos square x. Now we have the formulas for this. We know that using these formulas, sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Similarly, for cos square x, the formula is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. So these are very important formulas. We are making use of this now. Now let us come to this problem. What is the problem given? The given integral can be written as integral sin square x. What is the formula for sin square x? 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x into dx. 1 by 2 out, integrate. Integral of dx is x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. So this is the integrated answer. Or if you want, you can just multiply by 1 by 2, x by 2 minus sine 2x divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Suppose if it is like this, similarly, if it is cos square x dx. So cos square formula is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x into dx. So this is 1 by 2 into integration of dx is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. If it is cos square, you will get plus. If it is sin square, you will get minus. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Sin square x into cos square x. So this can be written as, for sin square, what is the formula? 1 minus cos 2x into, for cos square it is 1 plus cos 2x into dx. These are the formulas. Sin square x is 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Cos square is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. If you multiply 1 into 1 is 1. Minus into plus it is minus. Cos into cos is cos square 2x dx. This is 1 by 4 into, since 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square 2x into dx. Now since we know the formula for sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x dx. If it is sin square x, it is cos 2x. Similarly, for sin square 2x, we can write 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 into 2 is 4x. That's it. 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 4x. So this 1 by 4 as it is, integral of 1 by 2 sin square 2x is equal to 1 minus cos of 2 into 2 is 4x dx. Now integrate it. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 over 8 into integral of dx is x minus integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. If you want, you can stop here itself or multiply by 8 x by 8 minus sin 4x divided by 32 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Very simple and very important problem for 3 marks. So sin square is 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Cos square is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 minus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x is 1 minus cos square 2x. 1 minus cos square is sin square. Again for sin square 2x, the formula is 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 4x. So integrate it. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 over 8. Integration of dx is x. Cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. Now this is also very, very important problem indeed. You may expect this for your 2022 examination. Now very simple. For this, 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x dx divided by sin square x into cos square x. Now term by term division, divide it. Sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integral cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now this cos square cancel, sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square x dx plus 1 over sin square x dx. Now what is this equal to? This is equal to integral 1 over cos square, reciprocal is 1 over cos square is secant square x dx plus integral of 1 over sin square is cosecant square x. Now integral of secant square x is tan x and integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. So the integrated answer is tan x minus cot x plus c is the integrated answer. See, integral of 1 over cos square is secant square, integration of 1 over sin square, 1 over sin square. So integral of 1 over cos square is secant square, the reciprocal relation, plus 1 over sin square is cosecant square x, integral of secant square x is tan x, integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x because differentiation of tan x is secant square x and differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So integral of secant square x is tan x, integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. This is very important problem indeed. Now let us come to the next problem. So sin cube x, given equation, given integral can be written as sin cube x into sin cube x dx. So sin cube can be written as sin square x into sin x dx. Now this sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Now let us take the substitution. Put t is equal to put t is equal to cos x. Now differentiation of cos x dt by dx is equal to minus sin x, or minus dt is equal to sin x dx. So this given integral becomes integral 1 minus cos x is t square, sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, minus dt. Now this is, just take minus out, integral of dt is t minus integral of t square is t cube by 3 plus c. Substitute the value of t. What is t? Minus out, t is equal to cos x minus cos cube x by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. If you want, you can multiply minus cos x minus into minus plus cos cube x, or cos cube x minus cos x. Or if you know the multiple angles like sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, using sin 3a also you can simplify this. Okay, this is by substitution method, and direct method is you just make use of the formula sin 3x formula and you can solve, right. Now let us take this problem, integral of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Since we know the formulas, 1 minus cos x off angle formula 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So these are the two formulas. Using off angle formulas we can evaluate this. Okay, now just use these formulas. This is equal to integral 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 into divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square is equal to tan square x by 2 into dx. Now integral of tan square, as such you cannot integrate tan square, this can be written as secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Okay, now what is integral of secant square x? That is tan x. Integral of secant square x is tan x by 2 divided by x by 2 divided by a. What is a here? 1 by 2 minus integration of dx is x plus c, or this can also be written as 2 by 1 is 2 times tan of x by 2 minus x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. See here, 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Now here 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square x by 2. Since 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square, or tan square can also be written as secant square x minus 1. So integral of secant square x is tan x by 2 divided by a is 1 by 2 minus integration of 1 dx is x plus c, or transfer this to the numerator, 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now integrate the following with respect to x. This is also a very important problem. Now very simple, the given equation can be written as given integral term by term division. That's it. Sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now cancel the terms, cos square here, sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square x minus 1 over sin square x dx. Now this can be written as 1 over cos square is equal to secant square x, 1 over sin square is equal to cosecant square x dx. Integrate it. So integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. So this is equal to tan x minus into minus plus cot x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay, very simple problem. Now let us come to the next problem. This is also a very important type problem. So what is given integral? Given integral is sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square into cos square. This is also term by term division. Sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So here one sin square gets cancelled. What is left in the numerator is sin x divided by cos square can be written as cos x into cos x plus one cos square cos gets cancelled, cos x divided by sin x into 1 by sin x, right. Split the denominator into sin or cos into cos. So if you observe carefully, sin by cos x is tan x 1 by cos x is equal to secant x plus cos by sine is equal to cot x into 1 by sine is equal to cosecant x dx. Now, what is this equal to? So, this is integral of tan x secant x is secant x plus integration of cot x cosecant x is minus cosecant x plus c. So, this is equal to secant x minus cosecant x plus c is the integrated answer. So, that is equal to secant x minus cosecant x plus c. The answer for this is secant x minus cosecant x. See, very simple. Sin cube x by sin square cos square plus cos cube x by sin square cos square. One sin square gets cancelled. Sin by cos into cos. Sin by cos is tan. 1 by cos is secant. Again, cos and cos gets cancelled. Cos by sin into 1 by sin. So, that is cot x into cosecant. So, integral of tan x secant x is secant x. Integral of cot x cosecant x is minus cosecant x plus c. The answer is secant x minus cosecant x plus c is the integrated answer. Now, let us come to the next one. So, this is very important. Integrate the following function with respect to x, sin 2x into cos 3x. So, for this we are going to use sin a cos b cos a sin b, sin a sin b cos a cos b. Using this we are going to evaluate this. Okay. So, this type of problems can be evaluated using the formulas sin a cos b cos a sin b, sin a sin b cos a cos b, like that. Transformation formulas. Now, this is of the form cos a sin b. Cos a sin b is equal to of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay. Now, here what is a? This is a and this is b. So, this can be written as of into sin of a plus b, 3x plus 2x plus sin of 3x minus 2x into dx. So, this is 1 by 2 into integral sin 5x plus sin 3x minus 2x is sin x dx. Integrate it. Of into integral of sin 5x is minus cos 5x by 5. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Very simple problem. So, sin a cos b, cos a sin b. So, using this formula we can evaluate this of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 3x plus 2x is 5x, 3x minus 2x is x. Integration of sin 5x is minus cos 5x by 5 and integration of sin x is minus cos x. If you want, you can multiply by 1 by 2. Now, let us come to the next problem. Now, integration by the method of this integral of some particular functions, some important integrals. Definitely, you will get one question for 5 marks from this. So, this is definite question for 5 marks. You may expect one 5 marks question from this. Now, let me take, there are 6 important integral. In that, I will take few problems. Now, evaluate integral 1 over x square plus a square. So, the given integral can be written as I is equal to 1 over x square plus a square dx. Now, let us take the substitution. Put x is equal to a tan theta. Now, differentiate it. Dx by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of tan square theta is tan theta is secant square theta, or dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. So, this given integral reduces to 1 over, what is x? X is equal to a square tan square theta x square plus a square into dx. Dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. So, this is 1 over, you can take a square out. This is nothing but tan square theta plus 1 into, this is as it is secant square theta into d theta. On a and a gets cancelled, you can take 1 over a out. What is left in the numerator? In the numerator, it is secant square theta d theta divided by, in the denominator, 1 plus tan square theta is also equal to secant square theta. These two gets cancelled. 1 over a into integration of d theta is theta plus c. Now, substitute the value of theta, that's it. Now, what is this equal to? Integral of 1 over a into d theta can be written as 1 over a into integration of d theta is theta. This is 1 over a into, what is the substitution? Since x is equal to a tan theta, x by a is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. So, this is 1 over a tan inverse x by a plus c. So, what is the conclusion for? Therefore, 1 over integral a square plus x square or x square plus a square dx is also equal to 1 over a tan inverse of x by a plus c is the integrated answer. This is how we are going to integrate. So very important. So you may expect this for 5 marks. Put x is equal to a tan theta. X square is a square tan square plus a square into differentiation of a tan theta is a secant square theta d theta. You can take a square out. A gets cancelled. 1 plus tan square is secant square gets cancelled. 1 over a d theta, integration of d theta is theta. What is theta? X by a is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Substitute here 1 over a tan inverse x by a. So for example, evaluate integral 1 over x square plus 4 dx. So this x square as it is, 4 can be written as 2 square dx. So this is of the form 1 over 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. That's it. 1 over 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Right. Now let's come to the next problem. This is also a very important problem indeed. Now this can be evaluated using the method of partial fraction. Now let us write given integral I is equal to 1 over x square minus a square dx can be written as 1 over x plus a into x minus a. Simplify this, factorize this. Now let us write, let 1 over x plus a into x minus a can be written as a by x plus a plus b by x minus a. Okay. Now this can be written as, so take LCM, x plus a into x minus a cross multiplied a into x minus a plus b into x plus a. Now put x, yes, this 2 gets cancelled, therefore 1 is equal to a into x minus a plus b into x plus a. Now put x is equal to a. If you put x is equal to a, 1 is equal to a into a minus a is 0 plus b is a plus a is 2a. So therefore b is equal to 1 by 2a. Similarly, put x is equal to minus a, then this 1 is equal to a into minus a is minus 2a, and this b gets cancelled, 0. So capital A is equal to minus 1 by 2a. Substitute here. So therefore this given integral becomes, this equation becomes, therefore 1 over x plus a into x minus a can be written as, what is a? A is minus 1 by 2a divided by x plus a plus b is 1 over 2a divided by x minus a. Therefore integral of 1 over x square minus a square dx can be written as integral of minus 1 over 2a divided by x plus a plus 1 over 2a divided by x minus a into dx. So we can take 1 over 2a minus 1 over 2 out. Integration of x plus 1 over x plus a is log x plus a. Here 1 over 2a out. Integration of log 1 over x minus a is log x minus a plus c. You can take 1 over 2a common factor out. Let us write log x minus a first. Log x minus a minus this log x plus a. Interchange plus c. So what is this equal to? This is equal to 1 over 2 into log m minus n is log m by n. Log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So therefore this can be written as 1 over 2a into log mod of x minus a divided by x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. This is how we are going to integrate it. So therefore integral of 1 over x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 over 2a into log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c is the integrated answer. This is how we are going to integrate by the method of partial fraction. This can also be integrated using, instead of doing all these steps, you can also write the simple step for this, or you can also write 1 over x square minus a square can also be written as, this is x plus a into x minus a, 1 over 2a times, this denominator is same, that is x minus a into x plus a into, in the numerator, x plus a minus x minus a. That means multiply and divide by 2a. If you multiply and divide by 2a, 1 over 2a into c here, this, what happens here? X plus a minus x minus into minus plus. Minus x plus x gets cancelled, you will get 2a. So 2a gets cancelled. So you can write 1 over 2a times x plus a minus x minus a. So this is 1 over 2a into integration of log x, 1 over x minus a is log x minus a minus integration of log x, 1 over x plus a is log x plus a. So this is 1 over 2a into log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this method can also use to solve this problem. Any method you want. This is very simple, and this is by the method of partial fraction. Okay. Come to the next problem. Integral of 1 over x square minus a square dx. Now, since this is of the form root of x square minus 1, for this we are going to take the substitution as secant theta. Put x is equal to a secant theta. Then differentiate it. Dx by d theta is equal to, differentiation of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. So dx is equal to a secant theta tan theta into d theta. So this given integral becomes integral I is equal to 1 over root of x is nothing but what is x? A square secant square theta minus a square into dx. Dx is equal to a secant theta tan theta into d theta. So this can be written as 1 over, you can take root of a square common factor, root of a square is a into secant square theta minus 1 into a secant theta tan theta d theta. So this a and a gets cancelled. Integral 1 over root of secant square theta minus 1 is root tan square, square root gets cancelled, tan theta into secant theta tan theta d theta. What happens here? Tan and tan gets cancelled. What is left over is only secant theta into d theta. Now what is integral of secant theta? Integral of secant theta is log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now substitute it, log of, here what is the substitution we have taken? X is equal to a secant theta, right? X by a is equal to secant theta. Now integral of secant theta is log secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now since what is substitution we have taken? X is equal to a secant theta, x by a is equal to secant theta. Now secant theta is x by a. For tan theta, just write down tan theta is also equal to root of secant square theta minus 1, because 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square, or tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square. Since we know the relation, what is the relation? Since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So only tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1, or tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Substitute here. This is log of mod secant theta plus tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1 plus c. Now substitute it. Log of, what is secant theta? X by a. Plus what is secant square theta? That is nothing but x square by a square minus 1 plus c. Take LCM and simplify. This is log of mod x by a plus root of x square minus a square divided by a square plus c. So if you want, you can simplify this as log of mod x by a plus 1 over a into root of x square minus a square plus c. That's all. This is the integrated answer. Okay. Or this can also be written as, if you want, you can write, this is log of, take LCM, a is the LCM, x plus root of x square minus a square plus c, because logarithm of a is equal to a constant. So the simplified answer is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Now this is how we are going to evaluate this. Now let us come to the next type problem. Evaluate root of a square minus x square. This is also a very important problem. Let us take the substitution. Put x is equal to a sine theta. Then what happens? X by a is equal to sine theta. Now differentiate it. If you differentiate, differentiation of sine theta is a cos theta into d theta. So this given integral reduces to integral dx is equal to a cos theta d theta by root of a square minus x is equal to a square sine square theta. So this is a cos theta into d theta by root of a square is a into root of 1 minus sine square theta. A and a gets cancelled. This is equal to cos theta in the numerator is same, cos theta d theta divided by root of 1 minus sine square is cos square theta, right? Square root gets cancelled, cos and cos gets cancelled. This is equal to d theta. Integration of d theta is theta. Now what is the value of theta? Since this is equal to theta plus c. What is the substitution? X is equal to a sin theta. X by a is equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. So, this is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. So, therefore, integral of 1 over root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. Now, they, for example, in the examination, if they ask, evaluate 1 over root of 9 minus x square dx. 9 can be written as, what is the value of 9 here? That is nothing but 3 square. 1 over root of 3 square minus x square. What is a? A is equal to 3. So, this can be written as sin inverse of x by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. Right. Suppose in the examination they may ask like this. For example, evaluate integral 1 over square root of 4 minus 9x square. Let me explain this. 1 by root of 4 minus 9x square. This can also be written as integral 1 over, you can write root of, just take 9 out. This is 4 by 9 minus x square into dx. See, if you multiply, 9 gets cancelled, 9x square. Square root of 9 is 1 by 3 into 1 over root of 2 by 3 whole square minus x square dx. So, this is 1 over 3 into sin inverse of x by a, x divided by 2 by 3 plus c. This is 1 over 3 sin inverse of 3x divided by 2 plus c. That's it. Or by the method of substitution also you can simplify. So, definitely you will expect this type of question for 2022 examination for 5 marks. Okay. Now, let us come to the next type, that is integration by the method of partial fractions. Let me explain the types. So, if the type is of the form linear function divided by, in the denominator, the factors of a quadratic equation, px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b, where a is not equal to b, can be written as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a, that is a by first factor plus b by second factor. If it is px plus q divided by x minus a whole square, then this can be written as a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. In the numerator, it is a quadratic equation divided by a cubic equation, that is px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x minus b plus into x minus c. Then a by x minus a plus b by x minus c plus x minus b plus c by x minus c. Just a by first factor plus b by second factor plus c by third factor. So, in the numerator, if it is px square plus qx plus r divided by repeated factors x minus a whole square into x minus a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus a, x minus b or x minus a. Suppose if it is x minus a, it is x minus b. If it is x minus b, then you can write x minus b. Right, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c can be as a by x minus a plus bx plus c divided by the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c. Now, let us come to the first problem. Now, this is very important. You may expect this type of problems for 3 marks, very, very important. Let us resolve this into partial fraction. Let 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be written as a by x plus 1 first factor plus b by second factor x plus 2. Now, take LCM. If you take LCM, denominator gets cancelled, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 is a into this. So, a is equal to 1. Similarly, put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Then 1 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. This gets cancelled. 1 is equal to b into minus 1. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. So, a is equal to 1, b is equal to. So, therefore, the given equation reduces to, what is this? Therefore, into 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be written as, what we have taken, a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. This is from equation number 1. Now, therefore, this is equal to a. What is a? A is equal to 1 by x plus 1. B is equal to minus 1 by x plus 2. Now integrate it. Therefore, integral of 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx is equal to integral of 1 over x plus 1 minus integral of 1 over x plus 2 into dx. Now, this is equal to integration of 1 over x plus 1 is log x plus 1 minus integration of 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c, or this can also be written as log of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c is the integrated. So, integral of 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 is log of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. That's it. Now, let us come to the next problem. The same type problem. In the numerator, we have x. Let us divide, let x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be resolved into partial fraction as a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Take LCM and simplify. So, in the denominator, these two gets cancelled, cross multiply a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Same, put x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 1, a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into this gets cancelled 0. So, minus 1 is equal to a into 1. So, therefore, a is equal to minus 1. Now, similarly, if you put x is equal to minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So, minus 2 is equal to b into minus 1 minus b is equal to minus 2 means b is equal to plus 2. See here, if you put x is equal to minus 1 is equal to this gets cancelled, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, a is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 2 is equal to this gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So, b is equal to plus 2. Now, therefore, equation 1 becomes, now, therefore, x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is nothing but a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. That is, what is a? A is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b. B is 2. 2 divided by x plus 2. 2 divided. Now, integrate it. Integral of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx can be written as minus integral 1 over x plus 1 dx plus 2 out integral 1 over x plus 2 dx. Now, what is this equal to? This is equal to integral of 1 over x plus 1 is log x plus 1 along with minus sign plus 2 into integration of log x 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c, or this can also be written as minus log of x plus 1 plus n log m. N log m is equal to log of m to the power of n log of x plus 2 whole square, or interchange this. If you want, you can stop here itself, or if you want, you can write like this. First, write down log of x plus 2 whole square minus log of x plus 1 plus c, or this can also be written as log of m by n, x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. This is how we are going to integrate. So, log of x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1 plus c, because log m minus log n is log m by n. So, these are very, very important problems for the point of examination. Hope you followed this. So, you just practice all these type of problems. Definitely, these type of problems are very useful for your final examination, that is April 2022 examination. Hope you followed this. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next revision class. Thank you very much.